The spark plug uses the electricity generated by the ignition coil to create a spark which ignites the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. The intense heat in the combustion chamber, along with the high voltage used for ignition, will cause the spark plug to wear. The electrodes will wear away with use, causing a weak or inconsistent spark. If the fuel mixture isn't just right, the spark plug can become coated in carbon or tar, again causing weak or inconsistent spark. If the fuel mixture is too lean or the wrong spark plug is used, the ceramic insulator can be cracked. The spark plug should be inspected often and replaced at least once per year or more often as needed. Replacing the spark plug is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old spark plug. Now I can install the new spark plug. Before I thread it into the engine, I need to check the gap between the strap and the electrode. In this case, that gap should be 26 thousandths of an inch. To set it, I'll use a spark plug gapping tool. I place the gapping tool between the strap and the electrode, and it'll tell me what the gap is. In this case, it's a little bit tight. I'll use the tool to open the gap up, and that looks about right. Now I can install the plug back into the engine. And that's how easy it is to install a new spark plug in your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.